Okay, you guys, this is a milestone moment for me. I am about to finish adding the very first course myself to the Becky D Beauty online community. Up until now, my husband has been doing a great job getting the foundations of it built and the preliminary classes on there. He handed over the reins to me, and thanks to ChatGPT, it's taken me through my Go High Level site and how to use it. And here we are at the big moment. I, Becky D Beauty, also known as Becky De Leon, my real name. Okay, so I am about to hit add course, and I will have added this myself, and I am getting started on being able to fully take over the Becky D Beauty online community by myself, to be able to sell these classes, to be able to have a wonderful, fun online community, and hopefully have fun getting on here, sharing with you guys, and just creating all these really fun courses. This has been what Becky D Beauty has been aiming for since its creation in 2019, to become an education, trusted source, right? And so here we go. With this click of this button, I will have been started on my way to taking over my own website and classes and products. Here we go, add course. If that green face pops up, I did it! Okay, there it is, a dream in green. This is the very first class that I'm uploading to the Becky D Beauty online community myself. This is a dream in green. Hold on real quick, somebody weird's passing by. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. So this is a dream in green class that's all about glitter and placement, what type of adhesives to use. It's only $1.99 here in the Becky D Beauty online community, and I will be sharing the link here. But this is just a really cool moment for me. I did this. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the tools, Lord. Here we go, on our way. And while you're in the Becky D Beauty online community, I also have these other classes that are for free. Everything from makeup to bubble braids. My Becky D Beauty Academy is going to have everything. Remember, I'm a licensed cosmetologist. And so that is hair, skin, and nails. So we're going to have all types of courses for beauty professionals and novices, and just everybody who wants to learn more about makeup, hair, nails, skincare, all of the above. That's what the Becky D Beauty online community is going to be. So here we go, you guys. This is really exciting for me. Thank you for joining me. I'll be sharing the link, but this is kind of, again, this is the educational part, the learning part of the Becky D Beauty online community, and I just successfully uploaded my first course by myself. Go check it out. I'm Becky D with Becky D Beauty, bringing you real answers for real beauty and real classes for just $1.99. Come sign up. I love you guys.